So Michael, we're launching the website pretty soon. How do you feel?
Feeling really good. A lot of work's gone into this. It's meant that I've had to take a lot of time out of my blogging and updates. However, I'm very satisfied with the work that's gone into getting this off the ground.
So you founded MLS Legal Services, and can you just tell us a little bit about the company and the reason you decided on MLS Legal Services?
Sure. So the best way for me to do that is probably give you a bit of background about myself. Well, I've been now in the legal industry for the last 10 years plus, so 10 years legal work experience, 15 years if you talk about study as well, so very, I'll say, versed in the legal area. So the reason why I started MLS, during my various experiences and encounters, I've worked in small, medium, large law firms. I noted that the customer experience was something that was always lacking in most of the environments that I worked in. So now I've decided to take the bits that I've learned from those environments and not just to talk about it or to moan about it, but to do something about it and set up this business in order to satisfy the needs of the client and to provide the client with a service which makes them feel valued and not just another number. Yeah. So what we're going for here essentially is an organic business, an organic legal entity where the needs of the client are met and they're not just a fee or a cost at the end. Ultimately, once I do build a client, I want to feel proud and be proud to display the work that I've achieved on the client's behalf. Okay.
And now you've coined this phrase, restoring the balance.
Yes.
Do you want to explain to us and give us a little something on why what balance are you restoring, Michael?
Well, I honestly believe, especially with the way the law works. Again, we all know the famous anecdote in the picture of the scales of justice.
Yes.
Restoring that balance simply is treating the client as again not just as a number and as a fee. We are now at an age and a day where, as I just previously described, everything is about the end product. Everything's about the cost and the fee. What we want to do, what we aim to do here now, is to put the client on an equal pedestal again, on an equal footing, to put them in a position where they do feel valued. And it's restoring the balance in the sense that we're providing them with a service which makes them feel good about approaching a law firm. Now, we all know that there's certain industries that get a bad rap.
Yes. Yours especially.
Yes, exactly. So we have estate agents, we have lawyers, we have people such as that, and restoring the balances, I want to give people a bit of faith and hope back into the legal business.
Okay, that's good. So you've got a small team starting out with this company. Can you just give us an idea of the legal blog as well? Because you've recently been designing your site, and we noticed there you've got a legal blog up. And what are you aiming to do for for viewers and for people who spend a little time on your site and go through that? What are you going to be offering them there?
Sure, I really believe in the context of giving value or providing value. Value is something that we can provide and give for free.
Yeah.
So that's something that people will get when they come onto the website. So I will be keeping people updated as into the latest updates in the laws and the different areas that we work with. We do specialise in primarily employment, immigration, and civil litigation work.
Okay.
So those are the areas that will be
key areas.
Most updates. The key areas we'll be updating on. However, we also want to provide a platform for, and we do a lot of work with local universities as well. So we want to provide a platform for students who are embarking on their legal career, giving them the tips and the tricks of the trade, I suppose to speak, as they navigate their way through, because it's not easy. And as I said, I'm in the privileged position to have 10 years experience. Some people are struggling to get any. So I want to give back and try to help in that way.
Okay, so www.mlslegal.co.uk. That's the new website that's going up.
That's the one. That's now launched as you're watching. That's now launched.
And you've got the contact us page where people can either email you or drop you a call and make a contact with yourself and get your advice where they need it. Yeah.
Indeed, yes. So again, I encourage people watching this video to contact me. As I say, this is a platform which I've put a lot of work into, and I really hope you do enjoy the site. I want to make it work as much as it works for me, for you. So we're here to provide value and provide service. Contact details are.
Okay, Mike. Thanks for your time, and I'm sure you'll be posting some more videos soon for your clients.
I might get used to it. Take care. Thanks.
Thank you.